Today we're cooking broccoli. Most recipes call for boiling the broccoli first, then cooking it with other things. I don't like that method for two reasons. One, you end up losing some of the nutrients in the water that you boil in the broccoli in, and what you do with that water, you just toss it away. Two, it's cumbersome. It's an extra step that you really don't need. So let me show you my way of cooking broccoli, which is the easy way and the more nutritious way. We're gonna need, of course, broccoli. I'm using 2 heads of broccoli. The first one I already cut up. This is the second head broccoli. I'm going to show you how to cut it. 3 garlic cloves sliced. About 1/4 of a medium-sized yellow onion chopped. 1/4 to a 1/2 cup of water. Of course, salt, fresh ground black pepper. And I happen to have a little piece of orange pepper in the fridge, so I chopped it up to use it too, just to add some color and some sweetness. So let's cut our broccoli. We want to make sure that we have even pieces, that way they all cook exactly at the same time and it's the same doneness. If you have bigger pieces, smaller pieces, the smaller pieces will get mushy before the big pieces get cooked. We want uniform cooked broccoli. So we're gonna cut the florets like that. Make sure you don't toss the stem away. Save it for another recipe. I'm gonna have another video to show you what to do with this stem. Now make sure you go through the pieces and make sure they're kind of even size. The bigger ones, just cut them in half at the stem and then just pull apart. We are ready to cook our broccoli. In a large saute pan that has a tight fitted lid, add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Add the garlic, the onions, and the chopped pepper. Turn the stove on to medium heat and cook while stirring until it's nice and soft. When the onions turn translucent and you get a little bit of caramelization going on, add the broccoli. Shake it a little bit to make everything even in one layer. Add the water. And immediately cover it with a tight fitted lid and let it steam on medium-low heat. So with this method, we're basically steaming the broccoli in just a little bit of water, so that water actually will steam into the broccoli and cook it. This way we'll also have more control on how we cook the broccoli. So after about 3 to 4 minutes, lift off the lid and you're going to see that the water has completely evaporated. When you tilt the pan, you don't see any water. And you can test the doneness of the broccoli by touching the stem. It has a little bit of give, then it's ready. Having it in one single layer makes it easy to salt, so just sprinkle some salt all over. Sprinkle some fresh black pepper all over. Drizzle some good extra virgin olive oil all over, just a few drops. Give it a nice finish. Turn off the heat and let's plate. Mix the aromatics from the bottom, bring them to the top of the broccoli, and it's ready. Of course, you can serve it as a side to anything that you like, or you can just have it by itself. Put it on some quinoa if you have a quinoa bowl. Quinoa recipe, there is a video for it also. Sauteed / steamed broccoli, the easy, the nutritious way. Today I'm serving it with a pan-seared salmon and roasted sweet potato medallions. The recipe for the seared salmon is also in another video. Enjoy. Bon appetit. Like and subscribe because there is more coming.